One of the things we can say is that we're living in something about the size of a postage stamp right now. We have 5 full-time administrators that are working in 3 offices out of 3 offices that are like 10 by 12 or something like that. One of those offices has to be shared by 2 people, and so we are really crowded. We also have to use the church's auditorium for our lecture hall. This facility gives us a dedicated lecture hall in addition to the church's auditorium. The auditorium may be large enough for us to host conferences, both for the church and for the seminary. We're looking forward to doing that. And it's going to give us a much larger study center and library resource center for our on-site students. All of these things are going to be a great improvement in our ministry here at CBTS.